Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Leo friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So Leo friends, these are your cards, and first we will look at your oracle cards. The Maiden. This is a card with great potential because this card says that now is the time where you will be entering a completely new stage of life. And you will feel this double, kind of a internal double dilemma or a double approach, dual kind of a, thing towards whatever's coming up. And this will be, on the one hand, a real sense of curiosity. You may even feel enchanted because what's coming up is really nice. And you will feel this sense of curiosity at what's coming up, and you would really want to enter this phase. Now is the time you want to explore this new promise that life is showing and bringing for you. And you want to live it to the fullest. But then at the other hand, you will have this sense of feeling maybe unequipped, feeling a little scared, feeling the self-doubt, feeling as though you're not enough, feeling that I'm not mature enough, I don't know enough. These kinds of things that which is rightfully so, because now you are about to enter a new phase of life, and something which is more than you have been used to until now. So You will be full of vitality, but as you stand on this threshold of your new life, you will feel that there is so much that I do not know, and there is lots to learn. And you can learn it only by entering it. So this card also says, just take a plunge. You may not feel completely equipped right now, but as you enter your new phase, you will adapt to it. You will learn. Your next oracle card is the Swan Spirit. Time for a deep dive. So interesting combination here of your two main oracle cards, because new things are coming up. You are feeling unequipped, and this card says that the way to feel equipped is by acquiring greater self-knowledge, to take a deep dive, become more aware of yourself, ask more questions, ask better questions, and acquire a lot of knowledge and a lot of deeper understanding. This is self-knowledge as well as knowledge about the subject. And once you do that, once you ask all the right questions, once you kind of really are willing to take the time to study whatever it is that you are entering, then you will be able to gain a new perspective onto whatever's coming up. And also this card says that you need to avoid judging through appearances superficially, kind of avoid simply jumping to conclusions just at face value of whatever you see. So a time for a lot of soul searching also in this month coming up for you, Leo. Your next card, Eastern Cottontail, and it says nurture, and it says, what role is mothering energy playing in my life? So with this card, I see a lot of potential for love, care, that protective motherly love and energy is what I see coming up for you in this month. So it could be your mother, or it could be your friends and people around you who want to protect you, take care of you. And anybody around you may want to, they may feel protective about you. They may feel they want to take care of you and all your needs. And alternatively, you will also feel that you want to take care of yourself and of people around you. So this is a two-way process. But yes, a lot of potential to receive the mothering energy is first coming up. So these are your oracle cards. And now we'll look at your tarot cards. The first card is the Devil card, which is interesting because you have the Maiden here. So already we have this energy, this luring kind of energy coming in for you, and then the Devil card. I see a lot of temptations, a lot of these, things which really are attractive. They may look attractive, and they will be attractive. So it is like a new life is calling to you and saying that I am really enjoyable, and you're gonna really enjoy me, and you are gonna kind of flourish, have all kind of, you can experience all the pleasures, even sensual pleasures, all kind of material pleasures, sensual pleasures. So, and you're on this threshold where you're about to enter that kind of a life, and it is tempting you and scaring you at the same time. Page of Cups. Okay, so new potential for new romance is at hand, new stages, puppy love, or you may feel these fresh emotions for someone who's already there in your life, but a lot of potential for new relationships. And your next card is Knight of Cups, which is again another, so I also see a lot of possibility of influence of people in this month for you. A lot of new things, a lot of new stages. Okay, it looks like so new. So I see a lot of new energy coming up into your life, Leo. With the Knight of Cups, I would say even if you're entering into a new relationship, you will experience sudden ups and downs. This kind of a fluctuation will remain. You may experience instant attractions, but then it'll not be a very stable thing if you're entering into a new relationship. So next we're gonna see what your mood swings or your mental state, emotional state will be like. Maturity. This is a good card. We needed this card because with so many changes happening, so many new things happening, this is fantastic that you will be able to deal with all of that maturely. You will be able to grow into all that the life is really offering. Potential for growth. Life is growing for you now, Leo, and it is also offering you potential for growth, potential for inner growth also, and you will be able to deal with it stably because it's a lot of changes for you. Integration. You will be able to kind of flow into all these new experiences, integrate them into your life with ease. Also integrate yourself into your new life, moment to moment. And I see you enjoying your new life thoroughly, living it absolutely in a fresh manner. Now the next thing we'll see is what's coming up for you in finances. So the Page of Wands. So for those of you who want to appear for interviews, look at new job opportunities, fantastic time because you will be able to get a raise. You will be able to get that better pay package through. Next we're gonna look at your career. 10 of Cups, fantastic card. So everything that you are wishing for in terms of career is there for you. Finances is great, career is great, new job opportunities are also on the horizon. You will feel fulfilled and happy about your career. And final card for you is love and relationships and marriage, for which you have the Page of Pentacles. So I see for those of you who are already in a relationship, this is fantastic because that trust is there, that commitment is there, that stability in the relationship is there. Or else you may also, some of you may get a message from your partner or spouse which will help you to kind of develop your relationship further from here, and it'll be something which will have potential for the future. However, for those of you entering into new relationships now, those of you who are single, then it is a time of great flux for you, but then also a time of great potential. So I see, Leo, for you, a whole new world is opening up. Lots and lots of new things coming up. Lots of changes for you this month, or at least starting this month onwards, because this is the kind of spread which promises that now a new life is what you are moving towards. A completely new life where you will feel that suddenly life does not seem to be what it had been until now. So congratulations for that, and do take very good care of yourselves, Leo friends. Bye bye.